Closed captioning has become a staple feature on most electronic devices and can be useful for individuals both with or without hearing impairments when they are watching TV or YouTube videos, and even to simply better understand what is being discussed on a Zoom call. Alexa devices are no different. Let's explore the 3 different caption features that your device may have, then demo how to enable them individually or all at once. The first type of captioning that can be enabled is Alexa captioning. When enabled, this feature will caption Alexa's responses. For example, Alexa, what's the weather today?
The current weather is 77 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun.
The next type of captioning that can be enabled is called closed captioning. You are likely already familiar with this type of captioning. When enabled, this feature will caption videos that you play on an Echo Show. The last type of captioning that can be enabled is call captioning. This feature, when enabled, will caption your Alexa calls and drop-ins. The words that the caller says will be captioned at the bottom of your screen. Now let's enable these captioning options. There are 3 ways to enable this option: by using the Alexa app, by using an Echo Show display, or by using your voice. Here's how. To enable captioning by using the app, open your Alexa app and choose More, then Settings, then select Accessibility. Here you can choose the type of captioning you would like to enable, or you can turn on all the caption options at once by simply selecting All Captioning. The second way to enable captioning is on an Echo Show device directly. On your Echo Show, go to Settings, then Accessibility, then scroll down to Captioning. Once you click on that, you will have the option to enable each type of captioning individually, or you can enable all captioning to use all of these features. The easiest way to enable captioning is to use your voice. Simply say, Alexa, enable call captioning.
Okay, all captions are enabled on this device.
Finally, you can customize the text size and color for your captions to make them easier to read. To adjust these settings, tap Accessibility. Then tap Captioning Preferences. This will open a menu where you can customize the text size, color, opacity, font, and many other settings. These captioning options will help to make Alexa more accessible for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to see more smart speaker tips.